Amapiano star decided to spoil himself after years of hard work, as he showed off the newly purchased Mercedes-Benz without a caption to reveal that it's a new acquisition. However, his friends blew the trumpet as a few congratulated him in the comment section, while some took to their Instagram stories to post videos and photos of the new car with a congratulatory message attached to it. Focalistic is hardworking. As he's gone from gig to gig across the globe, he decided to give himself some spoils.